Okay, folks, here we are going to try another product, scratch remover. Right, that's the name of it, and it's for removing scratches apparently. So, what we have done, we've got our drill with a wire brush in it, and we have created our own little patch here of scrapes. So, we're going to see if we can actually remove these. Okay, so we have applied the paste, and now we're going to actually rub it on around the scratch. Let's see, will it help? So, bear with us and we'll give it a bit of a rub here and we'll come back shortly. Alright, so I have rubbed it off by hand using the little applicator sponge that they sent with us. So we've done that there, and then I just dusted it off with a piece of cloth, and as you can see, the scrape has gone. To my surprise, I didn't think this would work, but yes, gotta give that a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching.